Okay.
Joy, you can start.
Good morning and a warm welcome to all. Hello, my dear friends. Today we are celebrating three great occasions. It's a tri-celebration. Children's Day, the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru that falls on 14th November. International Children's Day that is on 20th November. And the 50th National Day celebration of our lovely host country, Sultanate of Oman. Happy Children's Day. Happy felicitations on the 50th National Day of Oman.
That's lovely. Let us begin this auspicious day by seeking the blessings of Almighty God. Let me invite Mrs. Jyoti, our Hindi teacher, for the prayer song.
मुझको नवल उत्थान दो माँ शारदे वरदान दो मुझको नवल उत्थान दो माँ शारदे वरदान दो हो सत्य जीवन सारथी तेरी करो नित आरती हो सत्य जीवन सारथी तेरी करो नित आरती समृद्ध सुख सम्मान दो माँ शारदे वरदान दो समृद्ध सुख सम्मान दो माँ शारदे वरदान दो मुझको नवल उद्यान दो माँ शारदे वरदान दो हो सत्य जीवन सारथी तेरी करो नित आरती समृद्धि सुख सम्मान दो माँ शारदे वरदान दो माँ शारदे वरदान दो
Thank you, ma'am. It gives me great pleasure to invite Miss Tarini Gomes, class 12, to welcome the August gathering.
When you start each day with a grateful heart, light illuminates from within. A very pleasant morning to all. Let me take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to the President and the members of the School Management Committee, Principal Dr. S. Srinivasan, Vice Principal Ms. Maria Thomas, teachers, and my dear friends to this spectacular celebration of Children's Day and the 50th National Day of Oman. Our lovely beloved host country, the Sultanate of Oman, has been a safe haven for all of us to live, prosper, and get educated. The peace loving and friendly people of Oman, the awesome topographic beauty of Oman, and the mesmerizing tourist spots of Oman are so luring. May I now invite Harsha of class 12 to speak on the 50 glorious years of growth of our host country, Oman.
A very auspicious morning to one and all present here. Honorable President and members of the School Management Committee, respected Principal and Vice Principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Happy felicitations to all of you on 50th National Day of this beautiful land, the Sultanate of Oman. It indeed is a land of fraternity, peace, and hospitality that invites people across the world to coexist here harmoniously. Extremism under whatever guise, fanaticism of whatever kind, factionalism of whatever persuasion would be hateful poisonous plants in the soil of a country which will not be allowed to flourish. These are the words of His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Said, one of the greatest visionaries and the apostle of peace. The vision and strenuous effort of His Majesty has helped the nation reach the glory of the prosperity to mark the successful 50th National Day of the Sultanate of Oman. The country is now blessed with another great visionary ruler, His Majesty Sultan Haitham Tariq Al Said, to lead and take the nation towards the next phase of its consistent progress. The Sultanate of Oman is a country of breathtaking natural beauty, interwoven with the kaleidoscope of history and legends. As the oldest independent state in the Arab world, Oman has embraced modernization and progress while retaining the core aspects of its culture and heritage, giving its visitors an authentic Arabian experience. The rulers are credited with modernizing the country's economy and instituting cultural and educational reforms. Oman has a population of just over 4 million people. It is an Islamic country which is very accepting of the other religions and culture, allowing anyone to practice their faith freely without prejudice. It is this kind of peaceful and accepting culture that makes Oman one of the safest countries in the world. Omani nationals are very welcoming of visitors from other countries, a fact that is reflected in their generosity and hospitality. Oman takes great pride in its magnificent ecology and diverse flora and fauna, actively protecting it throughout the establishment of nature reserves such as the turtle reserves at Ras Al Jins, the land of frankincense at Dhofar, or the Arabian Oryx Sanctuary in Al Wusta. Oman's culture is deeply rooted in its proud heritage and history of seafaring, trading, and exploration. Today, long-standing traditions blend with modernity living with the latest fashion electronics brands sold alongside traditional handmade crafts, jewelry, and even livestock at souks around the country. Adventure is at the heart of every journey through Oman. The Sultanate of Oman is the only country in the world composed mostly of oceanic crust and rocks that originate from the Earth's mantle. To celebrate the glory of National Day, many events including parades, fireworks, camel races, an equestrian show, a marine festival, and once in 5 years, a military show is held. Here's a video created by Raisa Fatima of Class 8 about the rich culture and diverse beauty of Oman.
The land of love, the land of beauty, the land blessed by God, the land of duty. The land of scorching desert, the land of the calm sea, the land of green mountains, the land we desire to see. From the taste of kava to the aroma of khabsa, from the sweetness of basbousa to the hotness of shuva. The land of varied culture, the land where they really care and nurture. The fishermen go to catch fishes in the sea, while the women sit at home and weave. The land of oats, the land of roses, the land of mosques, the land where peace and love nurtures, the land which I love, the land which you love, the land which we love, the land of Sultanate of Oman. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous National Day of Oman. Saeed al-Yawm al-Watani Oman. Stay home, stay safe. Shukran, ma salama. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you in 1954 as Universal Children's Day. The celebration starts on 20th November and ends on 21st November each year to promote international togetherness, awareness among children worldwide, and improving children's welfare. It is a time to celebrate and a time to demand action for child rights. Since 1990, World Children's Day also marks the anniversary of the day that the UN General Assembly adopted both the Declaration and the Convention on Child Rights. To make this day special, we would like to present a colorful program.
Every child is a different kind of love, and all together makes this world a beautiful garden. Here is Anvya and Shivanya to begin the program.
Today is Children's Day. My mother has gifted me this beautiful dress. There is yet another celebration today. Do you know what it is? No. What is it? Can you tell me about it? Oh, sure. Today is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who is fondly called Chacha Nehru. So, he loved kids? Yes, he loved kids, and so the kids called him Chacha Nehru. This day emphasizes on the importance of giving love, attention, and affection to children. Thank you for telling me so much about our favorite and dear Chacha Nehru. Happy birthday to our dear Chacha Nehru. And let me wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
Wow, that was great. Children are the best creation of God. They spread joy in every season. With this thought, let me invite Ritik with a speech on our beloved Chacha Nehru.
One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. Today, I would like to speak about Children's Day. Let me tell you. As we all know, we have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Let me tell you, why are we celebrating Children's Day on November 14? In India, we celebrate Children's Day on November 14 as a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on November 14, 1889. So we commemorate his birth anniversary as Children's Day in India. Nehru was the prominent leader of the Indian independence movement. He served Prime Minister of India twice. He shared a lovely bond with children and very affectionate towards them. Children also loved him and fondly called him Chacha Nehru. He advocated for children to have compulsory education. He also believed that children is the future of our nation. I conclude my speech by famous quote of Chacha Nehru. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
That has been so informative. Thank you, Ritik. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru always said, I may not have time for adults, but I have enough time for children. Such was the love of our dear Chacha Nehru towards the children. Here is a video depicting about the love that Nehruji had for the children.
Everyone, do you all know that number 14 is celebrated every year as Children's Day in India?
As a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
He was the first Prime Minister of independent India and called as the architect of modern India.
He was a great writer, speaker, and a great Indian freedom fighter.
The famous slogan, Aram Haram Hai, is his contribution.
Nehru was loved by everybody. He had a loving bond with the children and loved spending time with them.
Chacha ji, this day is for you. Chacha ji, we love you so much. Chacha ji, this day is for you. Chacha ji, we love you so much. You love children deeply. You work for them bravely. You love children deeply, and you work for them bravely. You have dreams of children and made good plans for them. You have dreams of children and made good plans for them. You fought for our freedom and made India stronger. You fought for our freedom and made India stronger. We wish on this Children's Day, may all your dreams come true. We wish on this Children's Day, may all your dreams come true. May all your dreams come true. May all your dreams come true.
Once he said, children are like birds in the garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured. Us, they are the future of nation and citizen of tomorrow. Because of Nehruji's friendly attitude towards children, kids fondly called him Chachaji. He loved kids so much, and that's why his birthday we celebrate as Children's Day. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Now let's watch an action song. Nehru Chacha, हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार. Nehru Chacha, हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार. हम बच्चों का जीवन डाला देकर हमको लाड दुलार. हम बच्चों का जीवन डाला देकर हमको लाड दुलार. नवंबर 14 दिवस के आता है. नवंबर 14 दिवस के आता है. हम भारत के नन्हे बालक तुम्हें भूल पाएंगे. हम भारत के नन्हे बालक तुम्हें भूल पाएंगे. नेहरू चाचा, हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार. नेहरू चाचा, हमें दे दिया इतना प्यार.
That was wonderful. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. It brings out the happiness from within. It's a way of spreading joy. Here is a wonderful dance video that brings every corner of our country together to celebrate the birth anniversary of dear Chacha Nehru and Children's Day.
about Nehruji's love for the children, I really wish Chacha Nehru could come and wish us today. Wouldn't it be nice to hear him give us advices? Here is a short message from our beloved Nehruji.
Dear children, let me start by wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. I like being with children and talking to them, and even more playing with them. For a moment, I forget that I am terribly old, and it is very long ago since I was a child. I would love to talk to you about this beautiful world of ours. I hope you will be more sensible and open your eyes and ears to this beauty of life that surrounds you. You must read many fairy tales and stories of long ago. Children, you are innocent. You don't know much about barrier of caste, color, nation, rich and poor. So my dear children, love one another and stay like a child. Do you know, children, we had among us a very great man, Mahatma Gandhi, whom we affectionately called Bapuji. He was wise, but he did not show off his wisdom. He was simple and childlike in many ways, and he loved children. He taught us to face the world cheerfully and with laughter. Always remember, the world is wide, and beyond our world lies another wonderful and mysterious world. A great deal is still to be done, so be cheerful and happy. Happy Children's Day from your loving Chachaji.
I am so glad to see Chachaji in person. Let us be transported back in time and witness the glimpses of Nehruji's life.
Nehruji's life, Nehruji would have been so happy to see the progress and advancement of India today. He would have loved to see his dream of a modern India come true. Here is yet another message of Nehruji in Hindi.
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं एवं बधाई। मैं आप सभी से असीम प्रेम करता हूं, वे आप सभी के बीच समय बिताना पसंद करता हूं। आज मैं आप सभी से अपने विचार साझा करना चाहता हूं। प्यारे बच्चों, आप सब इस देश के स्वर्णिम भविष्य के निर्माण करता है। जीवन में सफल होने के लिए आपको शिक्षा की आवश्यकता है। मैं आशा करता हूं कि आप सब अच्छी शिक्षा ग्रहण करके देश के कुशल नागरिक बनेंगे व देश सेवा में भागीदार बनेंगे। भारत देश अनेकता में एकता का प्रतीक है। बच्चों का कोमल हृदय किसी भी जाति भेद, रंग भेद अथवा अमीर गरीब के फर्क को नहीं जानता, वह तो बस प्रेम करना जानता है। मेरा आप सभी से निवेदन है कि अपनी देश की संस्कृति व आदर्शों का पालन करें, वह एक दूसरे के साथ प्रेम व भाईचारे का व्यवहार करें, वह कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर एक खुशहाल देश का निर्माण करें, वह पूरे विश्व के लिए एक मिसाल बने। ध्यान रहे कि एक महान कार्य में लगन व कुशल पूर्वक काम करने पर भी भले ही उसी तुरंत पहचान ना मिले, अंततः सफलता जरूर मिलती है। विफलता तभी होती है जब हम अपने आदर्शों, उद्देश्यों और सिद्धांतों को भूल जाते हैं। मैं बाल दिवस के अवसर पर ईश्वर से आप सभी के लिए मंगल कामना करता हूँ। खुश रहें, स्वस्थ रहें। आपके प्रिय चाचा नेहरू।
It is lovely to hear yet another message from Nehruji. Music speaks what cannot be expressed by words. Here's a beautiful song that expresses the children. This song is being composed by Dr. Suchata.
We love you, children, we like you, dears. We love you, children, we like you, dears. You are the sunshine who brighten our days. We bless you, children, from all our hearts. We love you, children, we like you, dears. We love you, children, we like you, dears. You are the pride of highest soul. You are the shining stars of our school. You are the best of the lot we got. You are the blooms and you are the force. You make us all work day and night. Day and night we work for you. We love you, children, we like you, dears. We love you, children, we like you, dears. You are the spirit of happiness. You are the gift of friendliness. We love you, children, we love you, dears. We pray for your health and happiness too. We love you, children, we like you, dears. We love you, children, we like you, dears. We give you the roots to hold and grow. We make you strong and help you grow. We give you the wings to fly and soar. We help you grow and reach the heights. We love you, children, we like you, dears. You are our favorites who bring us the joy. We love you, children, we like you, dears. We love you, children, we like you, dears. La 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 la.
Laughter is the best medicine. Our teachers are going to present a surprise element, a skit. The introduction for the skit will be given by Mrs. Maria Thomas. Apple.
Good morning, everyone. Respected members of the School Management Committee, Principal, and my dear children. Happy Children's Day and happy felicitations on the 50th National Day of Oman. You tiny children have done so well, very confident anchors, informative events, and great involvement. Love you all, children. Usually, you know that on Children's Day, we teachers present some entertainment events and we appear like clowns just to entertain you and also to keep our childhood alive. We try to always do that. But this year, you know that the scene has changed dramatically. The laptop is now our school, our temple, and the entertainment corner. The starting of the online classes, the days were almost filled with nightmare for many of us because we did not know how to tame the system. Many teachers reported that they had nightmares of online classes. I too had some. Slowly we got adjusted to the changes. The new vocabulary in the classroom are children mute the audio, children turn on the video, I cannot see you, are you there? And online classes have become elements of fun too. The other day I received a message from an unknown number. It was written, "Ma'am, my wife has gone away." I suddenly wondered, what must have happened? Who must be this person? Anyway, I replied, thinking that someone must have asked for some advice. I just messaged him, don't worry, be happy and relax. After a while, I received another message, "Ma'am, my wife has come back and I'm able to attend the class." Then suddenly I realized, oh, this must be a student who lost the Wi-Fi connection. So anyway, I shared with some of my friends and we had hearty laughter. Sometimes in the class when I say, "Rahul, answer my question," and suddenly I find in the chat, on the screen, Rahul has left the meeting. Sometimes when I ask someone, "Meenu, please read the paragraph number 4. There comes a message in the chat box, "Ma'am, my audio and my video are not functioning." Anyways, these are all moments of pleasure for us. We have started enjoying the online classes. Here, our teachers are trying to put up a small skit in front of you, bringing out some elements of the online classes. It's like, what we experience, what you experience, children, we are trying to portray just to make you laugh, just to enjoy the day. Thank you. And we are now going to watch the skit.
Hi, good morning all.
Good morning.
Hey. Hi, Sunish, how was yesterday's movie?
It was nice.
Yeah,
Which movie you saw now?
yeah, first time in his life he went for a movie.
Which movie?
Vidya, how are you?
I'm
fine. How are you? Yesterday I sent one message. Did you see that?
Barbecue restaurant. No. Where's your uniform, man?
Yeah. Shyam, am I audible?
Yes, audible only, but.
Oh, Jayesh, where is your uniform?
Jayesh is coming in class without uniform.
Today Jay's birthday.
Mine also, my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, Parvati.
Thank you, Jyoti. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday, Jace.
Happy birthday.
बच्चों मैम आई
सुप्रभातम
सुप्रभातम സുപ്രഭാതം നീലഗിരിയുടെ സഖികളെ
वाह
मीरा बहुत ही अच्छी तरह बहुत अच्छी तरह गीत गा रही है। अच्छा सुप्रभात हो गया। ओके, लेकिन जब कुछ सवाल पूछेंगे तो जल्दी से वीडियो ऑफ हो जाएगा, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है। मीरा, ये गीत मुझे तभी भी सुनना है जब मैं सवाल पूछूंगी। ओके, जब मैं सवाल पूछूंगी, हाँ अभी कान सुनाई नहीं देगा, मुझे मालूम है अभी कान सुनाई नहीं देगा, वीडियो ठीक नहीं होगा, सब कुछ मुझे पता है, पकड़ती हूँ मैं आपको। ठीक है, तो पहले मुझे अटेंडेंस लेने दो। ये प्रसीता का वीडियो ऑन है। प्रसीता,
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग। आज भी यही सेम वजह है, रीजन?
नो मैम, एक्चुअली I was trying from 8 o'clock मैम, the net issue मैम। Sorry मैम।
ये तो हर दिन बहाना यही है प्रसीता, हर दिन यही बोलती है नेटवर्क ठीक नहीं है ना, हर दिन यही बहाना चलता रहता है। ओके
सॉरी मैम, रियली
ठीक है, आज मैंने माफ कर दिया, लेकिन अभी से ध्यान देना है। ठीक है,
थैंक यू।
हाँ, सुबह 6 बजे उठना है और 6:30 मतलब 6:30 को मियाँ सर का क्लास रहता है, आपको योगा करना चाहिए। ओके, तंदुरुस्त ठीक रहता है, पाचन शक्ति बढ़ती है, अच्छी तरह दिमाग तेज काम करेगा। ओके, तभी अच्छी तरह समय पे आ सकते हो क्लास में। तो ये पूरा आप लोगों को हर दिन हर टीचर यही कहानी सुनाते हैं। ठीक है, ये शाम किसके साथ खेल रहा है? पार्वती, बदमाशी बाद में, चुपचाप बैठ के ध्यान से सुनो।
मैम,
हाँ ध्यान से सुनना है। ओके, तो पहले हम लोग शुरू करते हैं। ये जो पहले कल होमवर्क दिया था, गृह कार्य दिया था, मेरे ख्याल से भी ने गृह कार्य किया होगा।
मैम जेनी सीटिंग, मैम जेनी कुकीज।
और ये समीर को खाने का टाइम है, क्लास के बीच में बैठ के खाना है। जेनी भी, जेनी आप दोनों बच्चों को कोई काम नहीं है, सारा टाइम फोन पे बैठे रहते हो, कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठे रहते हो और क्लास में बैठ के खाना खाते हो।
देखो देखो
ओके, बाद में
आफ्टर कंप्यूटर ओनली मैम।
हाँ मुझे मालूम है
मैम। आई ऑडिबल?
यस ज्योति बोलिए, अभी तो
सुनाई। I completed my homework. Completed my homework.
हाँ, जेस ने किया नहीं हो होमवर्क? जेस ध्यान से सुनो, जेस ने होमवर्क किया? हाँ वेरी गुड।
Yes ma'am, I too completed.
ओ प्रतीक्षा नहीं है
मैम, that is not Hindi book मैम, another book.
स्टोरी बुक मैम।
स्टोरी बुक।
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है।
मैम क्या मैं पढ़ूं?
हाँ यस, ये पढ़िए ज्योति पढ़िए।
आपने तो 5 वाक्य लिखने के लिए कहा था कोरोना के बारे में, मैंने तो पूरा 2-2 पेज लिख लिया, देखो।
वाह क्या बात है। तो बच्चों ध्यान से सुनो। हाँ ज्योति अभी 10 वाक्य सुनाने जा रही, तो पहले 5 वाक्य सुन लेते हैं। तो ज्योति शुरू करो।
ओके, कोरोना दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा त्योहार हूँ। इस त्योहार में हम बच्चे लोग बहुत खुश हैं और मजे में रहते हैं, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन क्लास के कारण फोन इस्तेमाल करने का बहुत ही सुहावना मौसम आ गया है। फोन यूज करने से हमें कोई नहीं रोक सकता। हम पूरा टाइम गेम्स खेलता है, यूट्यूब देखता और एकदम मजा आता है। मेरे आँख खराब हो जाएगा बोलकर नोट्स पूरा मम्मी लिख कर देती है, इसलिए ये क्या लिखा है आपने? देखो
ज्योति क्या लिख के रखा है? कोरोना कोई त्योहार है आपके लिए? त्योहार है, लग रहा है त्योहार है। क्लास में कोई फोन से खेल रहा है और मुझे मैसेज आ रहा है आप मुझे बुला रहे हो फोन में खेलने के लिए, इतनी अक्ल नहीं है आप लोगों को, किसको भेजना है क्या करना है। ज्योति क्या लिख के रखा है, बीमारी है बीमारी, उसमें से कैसे त्योहार नहीं है, सारा टाइम हमेशा गाना खाना यही चलता है इस क्लास में, सारा टाइम खाने के बारे में या खेलने के बारे में या त्योहार मनाने के बारे में। ज्योति अभी ये सवाल बंद करो क्योंकि ये जवाब गलत है, ठीक है।
थैंक यू मैम।
कुछ नहीं है, कोई बीमारी है तो कल देखो सुनीश को देखो, सुनीश अभी कल उत्तर ढूंढ के सुनीश कल बताएगा इसका उत्तर जो है। बाकी सभी बदमाश लोग ध्यान से सुनिए, ठीक है, ध्यान से सुनिए। हृदय क्या रो रही है बैठकर, समझ में आया कि नहीं? और प्रसिद्धा ध्यान से, ये उल्टा से जवाब नहीं।
मैम एक्चुअली मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रही थी इसीलिए।
हाँ इसीलिए अंधी हो गई ना, तो त्योहार मना रही है ना। खाली पढ़ने के टाइम खाली अंग दिखाई नहीं देगा, खेलने के टाइम पूरा अंग दिखाई देगा।
टाइम पे आना, अच्छे मार्क लेना, वीडियो ऑन करना।
हाँ
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
हाँ
आई कांट हियर एनीथिंग।
हाँ हृदय को भी कुछ नहीं सुनाई देगा, हृदय पूरे भी तरह से कुछ समझ ही नहीं आएगा।
मैम टाइम है।
योर वीडियो गॉट स्टक, योर वीडियो गॉट स्टक।
मेरा वीडियो अच्छी तरह चल रहा है, मैं यहाँ अच्छी तरह झूम रही हूँ, अच्छी तरह चल रहा है, ठीक है। आपके दोस्त भी अच्छी तरह तो झूम रहे हैं, देखो दे आर मूविंग। और समीर क्लास में ध्यान दो, सारा टाइम बैठ के फोन में बैठा रहेगा लड़का।
स्लीपिंग मैम, स्लीपिंग।
हाँ वो सारा टाइम फोन में बैठा रहता है खेलने के लिए।
मैम यू आर लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल टुडे।
या आई एम लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल, लेकिन मैं छोड़ने वाली नहीं हूँ। कल होमवर्क सभी लोग करके आएंगे, ठीक है।
ओके मैम,
सभी लोग करके आएंगे। और ये ज्योति ने बोला त्योहार कुछ नहीं है ये,
ओके
ठीक है, त्योहार कुछ नहीं है। सुनीश से मैं पहले उत्तर सुनूंगी क्योंकि सुनीश क्लास में सबसे ध्यान से सुनता है। बाकी सब लोग उसके बारे में ढूंढ के आएंगे। ओके अभी नेक्स्ट आते समय चुपचाप बैठना है, कोई मस्ती नहीं। ओके ओके सी यू टुमारो, कल मिलेंगे।
ओके मैम, बाय
बाय, थैंक यू मैम।
It's time to switch off the camera. Comment it very.
Oh yes man, we'll switch off the camera.
Hey listen, I got a link of alishaba.com. Can we join that?
Yeah, same link I also got, man.
You got it?
Yes. Okay, we'll do one thing. Today's class will join. Okay.
What link?
We'll join that class.
Come on.
Good morning, children. Are you all there? I can see only few names. Camera, children. Q, please switch on your cameras.
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not able to switch on. It's drawing that unstable, ma'am.
Welcome, Shyam. Welcome, Sameer, Jace, and Sunish.
Good morning, ma'am.
You all have attended class today. How you all attended?
Ma'am, actually we got a link in the class group to join for some extra class like that, ma'am. Notes and all. We clicked that link, ma'am. Oh, actually, Shyam only sent the link, ma'am.
Yeah, I understood.
Not only me, ma'am. They all have the link, ma'am.
You all in my class. Daily you all are missing my class. You are not attending my class. So I thought I should send one link like that.
No, ma'am. Actually, the net issue is very big, ma'am. Our net is very slow. That's why we are.
Sameer.
Yes, ma'am. Net is very slow, ma'am.
Network is very slow.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear us, ma'am?
Having this problem. Okay, what I will do? Today's class is cancelled. Okay, children?
Okay,
ma'am. All of you, please leave. Thank you. Now your camera is on. Okay, do one thing. You all have to write yesterday's all exercise 100 times.
Network is okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please rub 10. Make it right, ma'am.
No problem, ma'am. We are in class, ma'am. No problem, ma'am.
Ma'am has gone.
I think ma'am's network issue.
Ma'am has some issues, I think.
No excuse.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, please rub 10.
Sorry,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Make it 10, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Please, ma'am. I think ma'am has some network issue.
Yes.
Ma'am has gone.
Yeah. Hey, you people, go to write 100 times?
No.
Don't write.
Don't, it will not write.
No, I will not write.
How teacher can see?
It will not write. Ma'am, come. Make it. Ma'am, please rub 10, ma'am. Make it 10, ma'am, please.
Sam, how much?
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
100.
Ma'am, please rub 10, ma'am. Make it 10, ma'am.
Please, excuse me, ma'am. My video was on all the time, ma'am. Our video also on, ma'am.
Our net is okay, ma'am. Now, ma'am's net is not okay, I think.
Guys, you people only made all these.
No, actually,
because of these boys only we are also writing.
From where you got all this type of link? You only put us all to.
It is the link, Samir.
That is some link is only for studio students, not for you people. Okay.
Yes.
That's why 100 times imposition.
Nice.
Let them write. Boys only
Nice
write.
link only. Imposition link it is.
Jenny, we don't write, okay?
No, it is for boys.
Yes.
AC, next is physics class. My God, I'm getting confused with lenses and mirrors.
What confusion, girl? Both are essential commodities. Why this girl like this?
Mirrors and lenses are not much important for us.
Without mirror, how can we survive?
Yeah, without lens, how can we survive?
Good morning, children.
Good morning,
ma'am.
Yeah, why are you in these goggles? Going for any party? Okay, children. Do you remember tomorrow we'll be having physics examination? Have you prepared well? I'm very happy. Samir did very well in yesterday's test. He's getting very good mark. Keep it up. Samir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
He copied from Google, ma'am. He copied from Google.
दोस्त दोस्त ना रहा, प्यार प्यार ना रहा.
No, ma'am. Only 2 questions I copied. Only 2 questions.
Samir?
No, ma'am.
How
Only
dare you?
2 questions I copied, ma'am. Rest all I wrote, ma'am.
Then also you copy now. I'll report this to principal sir.
Sorry, ma'am.
Tomorrow, please tell your father to join the class along with you.
Sorry, ma'am.
Samir, my girls are very good. They are studying very well. Okay. Chesney, can you please tell me what is Newton's third law of motion?
Newton's law.
Third law. Very simple.
Ma'am,
I studied, ma'am. It is at the tip of my tongue, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell. Okay, Jyoti, you can tell.
now, ma'am, I remember only the last line.
Okay, please tell that
Reaction,
last.
ma'am's reaction.
Oh, that is correct, Samir. Action and reaction. To every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am?
Vidya.
your saree is very nice. You are looking so beautiful, ma'am, today.
Okay. Vidya,
Yes,
but I
hoping,
didn't
ma'am.
ask you about
Hoping.
homework, no? Okay, Jace is not there.
Ma'am, I am here, ma'am. I am here, ma'am.
Angi.
We did not do
See
in
that,
the
ma'am?
previous section, Jace.
Ma'am, I am attending the class from India, ma'am. No range here, ma'am. I am searching for the range here and there, ma'am.
Oh my God, you're outside the house.
Yes, ma'am. I'm outside the house, ma'am. Outside the house.
Are you? Can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what happened, Jace?
Ma'am, बात कर सकते हैं, ma'am. बात कर सकते हैं, ma'am.
Of course, Jace. I'm hearing. Please tell me.
No, ma'am. Can I take a bath?
Why do you want to take the bath? Oh my God.
I fell in the drainage, ma'am. I fell in the drainage. Can I take bath? Ma'am.
Oh, he deserves that, ma'am. He already put me in trouble.
Okay.
No,
He
no,
deserves that,
never,
ma'am.
ma'am.
He
Can
already
I
put
go,
me in
ma'am?
trouble, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I go, ma'am?
Yeah, please go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, guys.
Jace is looking very nice, ma'am, in that costume.
Amir, it is not nice. He is in trouble.
No, ma'am. Actually, he only put me in trouble.
Oh, yeah. See, children, don't think like that. What is this? Okay, anybody is having any other doubt? Please clear with me.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Please ask
That
me.
gravitational law, that portion I have doubt, ma'am.
Okay, Parvati, please ask.
Ma'am, what is this, ma'am?
It is an apple. Why are you asking me
Yes,
questions?
ma'am. Ma'am, if this apple does not fall on Newton's head, how he could discover Newton's gravitational law, ma'am? That I was thinking, ma'am. Many times I am thinking.
Oh my God, why are you asking such questions?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anish.
I am unlucky, ma'am.
Why, Anish?
We don't have apple tree in our place.
Then what
We
is
have only coconut tree in our place.
Ah, that is right only.
Ma'am, if we are having that apple tree now, I would have to discover that gravitation.
Anish, you go and find out your record book first. Then think about gravitation.
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
ask one doubt, ma'am?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, what about our class picnic, ma'am? You know, our classes, examination, competition, everything is under perfect, ma'am. But what about our class picnic, ma'am? Usually in the month of November, we go for the picnic, ma'am.
Don't worry. We will go for a world tour this year.
Wow! My
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Nobody, school is not sponsoring. You can sponsor yourself.
How, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am,
Yeah?
in this COVID time, where we will go, ma'am? Most of the picnic places are closed now. Flight services are also not normal. How we will enjoy, ma'am?
Shall we go by ship, ma'am?
Right.
No ship, no flight. You fix a convenient date. When the time comes, I will share the Safari channel link. Then you can visit any place in any country as per your wish. All are happy now? This time everything online, no? So we will have the tour also online.
Tour also online, ma'am?
Yes, Prasida.
Very bad. Very bad.
Time up, ma'am.
Ma'am, time up.
Oh, you are very particular about that, Prasida. Okay,
Thank
we will
you,
see
ma'am.
tomorrow. Please.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
And bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Classes only.
Jenny, ma'am.
Jyoti, this is bio period, no? Did you draw that diagram?
Which diagram, Jenny?
She has given one diagram, no? Circulatory system.
Oh, I forgot actually. I didn't do. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, Samir. My beautiful morning has started with a handsome face.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
microphone will turn on just to say good morning. Then, thank you, ma'am, you'll be shouting. Samir?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, ma'am.
Why haven't you responded to my messages?
I didn't
How
see
many
the message.
messages I was... Don't lie, okay? I saw the blue tick in your messages. You have read the messages, but purposefully you are not responding to my message.
Mobile was with my mother, ma'am. She don't know anything, ma'am.
You keep giving excuses, Samir. Now I don't want any more excuses. Just call your mother. I have to speak to her. Then only I will continue with the class. Otherwise, no class today.
Ma'am, actually my parents are very busy, ma'am. You know?
It's okay, no problem. 5 minutes they can spend for your sake. Just call your parents. Just call your mother here.
Actually, yesterday WhatsApp, in all days we have...
No need of any explanation. Just call your mommy here.
Ma'am, in WhatsApp I am getting only the fee slip, then some flyers, some meeting links. And you know, my mother forced me to learn one flyer. You know, how I will manage all this, ma'am?
Tommy?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you saying? Can't you explain to your mommy that is a flyer?
Ma'am, what to do, ma'am?
That's one advertisement.
She don't know that, ma'am. When I am telling, she is cursing me. She's very angry with me, ma'am.
Because you don't study at all. That is why she's forcing you to do. Okay, anyway, I will explain to her. You just bring her here. I want to talk to her. Tell your mommy to
I
come
will
here
tell
right
my
now.
mother to join from other device, ma'am. This is very slow, ma'am. Mama, please.
Okay, no problem. Let her join.
Mama, please.
I will read.
Always seems like that, ma'am.
Yes, Prasidha.
My mom.
Yeah.
नमस्ते मैम जी।
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. How are you?
जी, आप कैसे?
Yes, ma'am. I am fine.
Ma'am, I just called you to inform that your son is not attending the classes. He's not at all regular for the classes. For the past 2 weeks, he has not attended the classes. What is the reason?
सारा दिन वो फोन लेके बैठा है। पहले तो आप लोग हमें बुला के बोलते थे फोन यूज मत करो, बच्चों को फोन मत दो, लेकिन आजकल तो सारा पढ़ाई फोन से ही होता है, पूरा स्कूल फोन पे आ गया। वो आपको पता है 8 बजे से लेकर 4 बजे तक फोन पे सारा दिन बताएं।
He has told that physics 35, chemistry 45. What kind of marks are these, ma'am? I'm trying to understand.
फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री को क्या मिला है? किरण फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री सीखा, इन सबको क्या मिला? ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
Oh my God, how I will make her understand?
और उनसे बात कर लीजिए। आप पहले
मामा ये ऐसा नहीं है, मामा ये ऐसा नहीं है, नहीं मामा।
Samir, why don't you make mommy understand?
Yes,
See, they are not even able to understand that I'm telling her about your marks.
Yeah,
You are
I'll
behaving like this, and what you'll explain, you'll tell all wrong things to her, and you'll manage things, and you'll act as though you're the most good. See the way your mommy is supporting you.
नहीं मैम जी, कहा था ना ये सारा दिन बैठ के पढ़ाई करता है, इसने तो अच्छा मार्क्स लाया होगा। मेरा लाड है वो।
No, madam, he is not studying. That is why we are telling, ma'am. Please take care. We are telling it for his benefit. Then it's up to you, madam. Thank you, madam.
I will study, ma'am. I will learn, ma'am. I will study, ma'am. I'll study, ma'am.
Samir, see the way your mommy is believing you, and you are completely cheating her.
No, ma'am. I will study, ma'am.
Behave properly.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Samir. No. You are lying. Okay? This is too bad. Why don't you realize the importance of this period, your childhood period? Huh? Why do you behave like this?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, come on, take out your books. Now let's continue the chapter. Which we...
Ma'am, your hairstyle is so beautiful.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Vasita. Okay, fine. Let's start with take page number 32. Come on. Take your book.
Ma'am, time up, ma'am.
Time up, ma'am.
Time up. Who told that now? Time up.
Shyam only told. Shyam only told.
When I entered the class, I heard you talking about me. Okay? Don't think that I didn't listen to that. I just didn't ask you anything. Now, for time up and all, you will start.
Sorry, ma'am.
This way, my full period goes on. Why don't you behave properly, children? Anyway, we all are struggling with this online classes, and you are also troubling us. Okay, children. See you on the
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Okay, bye-bye.
Yes, we can enjoy
Good morning, children. What a mess in the class. Be silent for 2 minutes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am.
Good morning. And what is all this mess in the class?
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
Fan, cooker whistle from your home.
Cooker whistle from my home? For the past 7-8 months, I haven't used the cooker.
Why, ma'am?
Why, ma'am? You are not eating anything, ma'am. You have become so thin now.
Thank you, Samir. Okay, now let me ask you a few questions. Okay, first, Tesni, where are you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, ma'am.
Okay, let me ask you the first question. Okay,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you others keep quiet. Let me ask Tesni the question. Okay, Tesni, tell me what is formatting?
Formatting. Ma'am, we put formats on a floor. That is called formatting.
Not learning anything, Tesni. You're not studying. Okay, the next question, let me ask Sham. Sham, where are you? Sham? Yes, Sham. Okay, the next question is, now tell me, what is the difference between a hardware and a software?
Ma'am, I think which wire is soft like a sponge, it's called software, and which wire is hard like a rock, it's called hardware.
It is not wire. It is where? Software, hardware. Not learning anything. Okay, children, yesterday's split test, did you all send a pic to me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Samir, why did you send me your pic? I did not ask for your pic.
Oh, ma'am, I thought any pics. That's why I took my photo and with full makeup, ma'am. Nice, ma'am.
Okay, you send me your answers. I don't want your pic. Okay, children. Now listen here. I'm very happy with your approach towards the online classes. You all are studying really well. Okay, children. Only few of them are there who are the naughty ones here. Yes. Okay. So now I'm very happy. You all are doing your studies and your projects. I really appreciate your work. And whatever is the mode of education, children, your attitude makes it a difference, okay? So study hard. And we all know nothing can replace the physical class. But the situation is such that we have to come online, okay? So now the pandemic situation is keeping us away. But don't worry, it will all be over very soon and we all will meet very soon, okay? Children, so keep studying.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, eat
Yes,
something,
and be
ma'am.
home
Bye.
and be safe. Don't go out, children.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shan't study hardware, software, not wires.
I will not study, ma'am. Teach him, ma'am.
You send me your answers, okay? Not your pic from next time.
Sure, ma'am. I will send.
Okay, bye-bye, children.
Bye.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Wasn't it really hilarious? That's what most of us do. Thank you, dear teachers. Now here comes Dr. Sujata with a self-composed poem.
Good morning to one and all present here. Investing our future means investing in you all children. We are happy to invest our time and energy for you all. We are blessed to be in this profession. Last year on this day, International Children's Day, Greta Thunberg, a Swedish child climate activist, took the world by storm after she gave her speech on the importance of active participation to fight climate change. You children have an immense potential to initiate a change and promote togetherness. On this occasion, I penned a poem to express my thoughts, and I'm glad to recite the lines now. My screen is not shared. Okay, it's okay. Can I be permitted to share my screen?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Thank you. The yearly gift. Every year, 1 minute, let me just. The yearly gift. Every year I get a gift, a bundle of naughty and quiet, active and bright, cheerful and playful, violent and calm, kids as gift. It's a task to teach and learn from the gifts I get. They are the worth, the time I give and share. They soak my memory, some nice, some naive. They amuse my sense, some funny, some enthralling. We laugh and play, fight and struggle. We admire and applaud, irritate and trouble. All in the game to engage and fail. We give and take values and lessons. When I'm patient, they learn to tolerate. When I'm fair, they learn to approve. When I'm courteous, they learn politeness. When I'm strong, they learn confidence. So I teach acceptance. Hence, they learn love. If I teach appreciation, they learn to praise. When I'm just, they learn faith. At the epilogue of the year, we resolved to agree. It's time for me to repack the gift and relinquish it. With the delight of benediction, I anticipate another one. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Please continue.
What a lovely poem. Here comes a special message from our dear teachers and SMC for all the students of Indian School Sur. We love you. Now I request the CCA in charges, Mrs. Pushkala and Mrs. Teresa. That was so lovely. Thank you, teachers. We love you. Now I request the CCA in charges, Mrs. Pushkala and Mrs. Teresa, to brief about the CCA competition 2020-21.
Every child is a miracle, with each having their own ways that make this world a beautiful place for us. Children carry the hopes of a brighter tomorrow and the dreams of a happy future. Wishing a joyful Children's Day to each one of you. A very pleasant morning to all. Today, I am here to brief on the CCA competitions 2020-2021, which concluded on 19th November. Even with the constraints due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we could successfully conduct the competitions online, comprising of 28 events spanning across 4 weeks from 26th October to 19th November. All the competitions were telecasted live in high YouTube channels, which facilitated the parents to witness them, and the students could also watch their friends perform. All the judges were from different schools of India and Oman. Since the number of events were 4 in each of the 7 categories, each child was restricted to only 2 events. This gave a platform for a greater number of students to participate and showcase their innate talents, unleash their potential, gain knowledge, and was a learning experience for them. It also gave us an opportunity to identify their interest and caliber. Kudos to you, children. All the participants will be receiving certificates for their enthusiastic participation. Here, we go with the results of some of the events that was conducted in the concluding week and the overall house position, which decides the winner and the runner house of the CCA competition 2020-21. May we have the video, please?
Congratulations to all the winners and the participants. Children, through these CCA events, have showcased their innate talents and have proved their capability and determination. We take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to our ever-supporting President, members of the School Management Committee, esteemed judges for sparing their valuable time in judging our competitions, house masters and house mistresses, conveners, timekeepers, teachers who trained the students, and our dear parents for supporting and guiding our young talents. Our special thanks to the IT department for the continuous support for the smooth conduct of the events. As Benjamin Franklin said, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn." The CCA events have helped our children to get involved, learn time management, and most importantly, to be confident of themselves. Once again, we thank each and everyone who have helped to make this year's CCA event a grand success. May I now invite the President of the School Management Committee, Mr. Muhammad Amin, to address the children.
Sorry, ma'am. I request Mr. Jami Srinivasa Rao, Member School Management Committee, to address the students.
Hi, good morning to everybody.
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah, on behalf of the President SMC School Management Committee, I thank one and all involved in putting up such fantastic show. Special thanks to the children whose days we are celebrating today. Well, I am thoroughly enjoying every element of this program. I'm glad that I am attending this program. Actually, I was thinking Children's Day should be one of the most auspicious day in anybody's life. There is child hidden in everybody. As you grow up into ladies and gentlemen, there is always this child within you. So we must celebrate this child within us. I once again thank you all for putting up this spectacular show, and once again, happy Children's Day to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Principal, sir, you can take over.
Yes, sir. Fine. Thank you so much, sir. And truly said, we all look for this day. So because we get a lot of enjoyment and we can also act like children on that particular day. So this is the only day can be celebrated by each and every individual. Thank you so much for your address. Respected President, members of the School Management Committee, teachers, parents, and my dear children, good morning. My dear students, we celebrate various days in a year. Teachers' Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Grandparents' Day, Friendship Day, so many days. And you just start counting from January month to December, number of days we celebrate. And in addition to that, a lot of functions also we celebrate. This all to understand the importance of each and follow the tradition of our family practices. So Children's Day is dedicated to you all, and I always believe every one of you bring more love to this world. 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day to mark the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India, as well as a central figure in Indian politics both before and after independence. And 20th November of each year is celebrated as the International Children's Day to promote international togetherness, awareness among children worldwide, and improving children's welfare. My Children's Day wishes to all of you. We are here to enrich you with the knowledge and provide all possible support for the holistic development to mold you as a good citizen. And our dream is to see your dreams come true. Make us proud, make your parents proud, elders and the nation proud. You are all like stars, and may each one of you shines brighter. And always remember, obstacles comes in our life to prepare us for something bigger. Treat the obstacles boldly, then you never fail in your life. See yourself as a good human being and nurture the life's attitude, and never forget that you should respect and show gratitude to those who helped you in life. Never allow negative thinking influence your personality, as it always leads you to the wrong path. So be kind and fair to all the human beings, and we pray to God to guide you all on the right path, through which you achieve greatness and life learning principles. We have recently concluded our CCA competitions. In the past 4 weeks, we could see all the students were busy preparing for their events. The children were busy preparing for events, and the teachers were very busy preparing the children for the events, and the CCA team worked diligently to conduct the events. The IT team, as usual, put their heart and soul for the smooth conduct of the virtual events. Kudos to everyone, and I appreciate everyone's effort. I take this opportunity to thank Mrs. Ishwari, Principal, Delhi Public School, Anandapur, Hyderabad, Mr. Narayan Joisa, Director, Podar Group of Schools, Karnataka, Mr. Ganesh, Principal, VG Vikas Public School, Salem, Tamil Nadu, Mr. S.I. Sharif, Principal, Indian School, Mulada, and Mr. Shantakumar, Principal, Indian School, Buremi, for having permitted their teachers to judge the events. I also thank the members of the School Management Committee for their continuous support and guidance. My dear students, we have 2 major events coming up in the next couple of months. One is Indian School Student Talent Festival, that is previously known as Jankar Spectrum, okay, which will be organized by Indian School Mabela, and the second one is Indian School Film Fest, which will be hosted by our school. This is going to be a real treat for all the students who loves music, dance, literary events, and interested in movie and documentary making. Make use of the opportunity. I request all the students to participate actively, and we at Indian School Sur provide all the opportunity to you children. It's your responsibility to grab the opportunities and grow. I, on behalf of the entire school community, take this opportunity to congratulate our President, Mr. Mohammed Amin, for getting awarded by the Arabian Stories as one of the top 50 iconic persons in Oman. This was announced on 18/11/2020 by the Arabian Stories of Muscat, Oman. Many congratulations, sir. My dear students, on this day, our President himself is a very good example for hard work, determination, and his achievements are a good motivating story for all youngsters. We miss you here today due to your busy schedule. You left the meeting. We are proud of you, sir. And I wish our grade 12 students should have a discussion with our President one day to get motivated further and for future career. With this, I once again wish you all a very happy Children's Day and happy felicitations to 50th National Day of Oman for the people of Oman, and wish you all the best for your future endeavors. God bless you all, and I request the Film Fest core committee team to share the promo video now. Thank you all.
continue.
Thank you, sir. Chacha Nehru said, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow." There are some things we can't buy, and one of such things is our childhood. So let us enjoy our childhood to the fullest. Thank you, dear teachers, for the lovely gifts. Love you all. We are fortunate to have such loving teachers. I would like to thank each and everyone who has helped to make this a special day and showering us with their blessings. I would like to thank the President and the members of the School Management Committee for gracing us with their estimable presence. I hereby express my sincere thanks to our dear Principal, Vice Principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Special thanks to Mrs. Jolie, the primary class coordinators of classes 1 to 5, and the IT department for taking care of the arrangements for the program this morning. Wish you all a happy Children's Day. Have a nice day ahead.